Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the keyboard language on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the keyboard on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the settings icon on your keyboard. From here, just tap on languages and types. From here, just tap on manage input languages. Now from here, just enable the toggle for the language which you want to add to your keyboard. Just like that. Now once you have done that, now if you open the keyboard on your smartphone, you will see this globe icon on your keyboard. Now if you tap on this icon, you will change the language on your keyboard. Just like that. And this is how you can change the keyboard language on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.